old strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
3,
Go instant.
2, 1.
Use the gateways as well.
Take this time to consider your past deeds.
They're there for a reason.
Take this time to consider your past deeds.
Don't be in the ocean, hello, I'm just gonna pop 4 traps here instantly. Just pop the traps if they're next to you, I really don't care.
Take
Just
this
be inside
time
the
to
ocean and
consider your
you won't
past
even feel it.
deeds.
Right, take the big bed blast out now, and make sure that you take the fucking whatever debuffs out as well. Can't drop traps right now. Watch out here, Shogun, or whoever that was.
Yeah, just got a cloak. I didn't realise this put such a hefty slow on me.
Currently playing a bit of catch up here with the beams, try not to extend them. Good job for the fall to starts.
We have a sentry up. Everyone switch.
Right, we got 4 stacks there, just keep an eye out for your own health.
Full single target the sentry.
Keep your eyes open at the back range, don't get caught by it. Exposed core coming, get in.
Take this time to consider your past deeds.
Coming in 3 seconds. Stay inside now for 10 seconds. Keep staying inside the healing shot. Free to walk now.
Take this time to consider your past deeds.
Stay near though. Blast down the matrix first here, whatever it's called. Popping a few traps here. Try not to pop the last one.
Got a runner.
Get on the sentry if we can.
Did someone get the core?
Actually, yes.
I can take it.
I don't even see it, I don't know if someone took it.
I think it's been done.
Cool.
Okay, yep, it's definitely done now.
Blast the sentry, guys.
Take
Nice.
this time to consider your past deeds.
And then be your misdirects and tricks.
Sentry.
Take this time to consider your past deeds.
Watch feet. Just pop the 1 in a million, so it's fine. Remember the gateways goes both ways here. You can also use them to get out. Or from this side even. Keep watching feet here. We've spawned a few inside the shield. Just keep your eyes open. Can assume that we're popping 1 in melee. Yep.
We have 2 up right now. Get in.
Everyone said 2 seconds. Make sure you're in here.
Free cloak,
Push these back a bit.
1 shot.
Push the hands back. Okay, it's fine, he's just outside. Blast the sentry, guys. Sentry first. Just finish it off before you swap. Oh, he's inside now. Never mind.
Not bad.
Take this
Sentry
time
and
to
fat boy.
consider your past deeds.
Right, got the fat boy.
Just watch it. We have
Let's
4
go, sorry,
stacks going out right now. Watch that beam going through melee.
Get him up.
Got the core.
Don't take. Cool. Okay.
Wait till the sentry's done before you move anymore. Just wait. Stop. We need to stabilize. Just stop.
Bob's just pushed too far, I think.
It is.
Yeah, he's
so
still going up
just
again.
keep it in
Let's
the
just
wild
wait here.
space next time.
Top boss.
People are spiking super hard, I don't know. Just watch your movement, guys. Some people aren't, some people are, so I'm guessing people are just taking stuff.
Keep watching feet now.
Take this
And stun
time
these
to
drones
consider
as
your
well.
past deeds.
Do we have any healing shit going out? No. I'm just popping 2 traps at a time.
Drank
Feel free. No.
Take 4. There you go.
Try not to pop these traps. We already have 2 rolling.
Do you need to save my hammer for last phase?
Sure.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, we might just get an extend. We did, but right. Checking damage continues here. Do not pop this trap. Do not pop this trap in melee. Good job. Free to pop it now. Do not pop traps. Keep watching. Do not pop these traps. Not even the one in melee.
Take this
Yeah,
time
pop
to
the one in
consider
melee.
your past deeds.
We have a res up.
Don't pop
maybe
the last
just
one.
That's good.
get pissed up and if Sailing has sank 15%.
Take this time to consider your past deeds.
Try not to pop the new traps here.
Move the boss before he phases. Just get away from the traps. Move away.
Don't need to pop traps now, they should.
Right, take these out.
Alright, Salga, you can hollow here.
Hero. Pots.
Just wait on yours, Python, please.
Yeah.
Just watch the 2 traps go back. You're not running over them if you can avoid it.
Take this time to consider your past deeds.
A boss. Oh, it's actually way better than Mythic. It's still not amazing, but it's way better, man.
Yeah.
Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys.